Investing in the stock market is scary, but today I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be investing my first £1,000 into the stock market today in the hopes of one day becoming a multi-millionaire. Now, how am I going to do that off minimum wage, I hear you ask? Well, 4 different ways. Number 4 is really interesting. But number 1, I'm going to try and be incredibly frugal. That means I'm going to be skimping on everything and just trying to save as much money as possible. Number 2, I'm going to be investing all of my extra income into my dividend portfolio. Number 3, I'm going to be taking those dividends and then reinvesting them into my portfolio so my portfolio grows and my dividends become even bigger. And then I'm going to take those dividends, invest them into my portfolio. Portfolio's going to get bigger, dividends are going to get bigger, dividends, portfolio, dividends, portfolio, and then we're just going to be cash everywhere. Now, number 4 is where things get really interesting because I'm going to be creating cash out of thin air, and not just for me, but for you too. In fact, just for watching this video, you're going to be getting some money. Now, that sounds like a lie. But it's true. Let me explain. You see, the company that I'm investing with today, Freetrade, are offering a free stock worth £10 to £100 for anybody who signs up with that link in the description. Now, you could be really sneaky about this and invest your money. I think it's a minimum of £50. Take your free share, whether that be £10 or £100. You could then sell your shares, break even, sell your free share at £10 and be up £10 as an absolute minimum, and at a maximum you could have £100, and that's just for watching this video, clicking on that link in a few minutes. So, best video you've ever seen on YouTube? Yeah, probably. Now, not only do you get money when you invest in that free share with between £10 to £100, but I also get a free share if you invest as well. So we're helping each other become a little bit richer, getting to our goals of becoming a multi-millionaire that little bit sooner. But free money doesn't exist. Or does it? It's yours, just take it. Thanks for watching the video. It's just down there. You just click the link and there you go. Now, with that being said, let's invest my first £1,000 with Freetrade so you can see exactly how it all works and what's going on. Now, hopefully I'll make some good picks. Let's go and have a look. Okay guys, so wouldn't you know it, I forgot to hit record on the camera, but we've still got the footage, so we're going to do it this way. Now, I promise all that free cash that we're generating, I'm going to invest that into a cameraman. Now, so this is my portfolio. Now, as you can see, there's a huge spike here. That doesn't mean that I've picked something amazing. It's rocketed to the top and rocketed in price, I wish. But it's just because I've topped up my account. So there's just below 1,300 in there now. There's about 600 I've already invested. So today we're going to be investing in at least another 400 just to get us that investment in the stock markets to over £1,000, and that is really exciting. So we're going to be doing that together just so you can see what's going on. Now, as I scroll down here, you can see what I've already invested in. So there's HSBC, there's BP, Vodafone, Legal & General, BT, Tesco, there's a few others as well. But as you can see, HSBC is down, BP's up, Legal & General's down, and BT's up 11%. But because I'm in this for the long haul, what I'm trying to do is just reinvesting the dividends into my portfolio and just grow it and grow it and grow it. So eventually, there's going to be even bigger dividends, and I'm reinvesting all of that into one day, hopefully, going to retire a millionaire. That's the plan. So yeah, I'm not going to get too disheartened about HSBC being a little bit down. And the flip side of that coin is, I'm not going to get too excited about BP or BT, sorry, being up 11% or 10.96 now because it's updating in real time. But it's not going to really concern me too much. A little dip and a little rise day to day, week to week, it's not going to really concern me. And hopefully, long term, all of these stocks will go up, but the day to day or the week to week, it's not really going to concern me because I'm in this for the long haul. So this is the account in a minute. So this is going to be the first thing that we invest in. So we're going to discover here. And let's have a look, see. What have we got? If it'll let me. So we've got, across here, this one right here. This is going to be the first thing that we invest in. it's VHYL. It's an ETF, which is pretty good. So we're going to be buying some of that. Now it's currently at 46.48. So we go here. I'm just going to go 100 here. So we'll get 2 shares. We'll review order, and that will bring us to 93.67, because it'll just round it down for us into full shares. And then you confirm buy. You put in your code. Go. So it's sending the order now. Take a minute here, and there you go. And then you've bought it. So that's our first lot of shares bought. Fantastic. Exciting. So let's go back. Let's go on to discover again. So managed to do it just about. So I'll cut out the bits where I'm pressing the discover tab on the actual app thing, because it'll get boring. But you just go up to discover there and search what you want to buy, and then it'll be up there. So this is United Utilities. So I'm buying this as well. So come in here, go 52. That'll give us 5 shares. Review order, confirm buy, put in the pin there, send an order. Might take a minute. Oh, there you go. And there you go. So we've bought United Utilities. Now I'll try and speed through these now for you. Not to bore you, although I find it quite interesting seeing exactly what I'm buying and stuff and what other people are buying. But yeah, here we go. So this one here is primary healthcare. Now it's currently at £1 and 2p. So we'll buy this here for 51. It's 49. Try and go 52, and that gives us 50. So that's nice. Review order, confirm buy, put in the pin there, and there we go. We bought primary healthcare. That's another stock that we've got. And done. So the next one we're looking to get is IG. Now I have done a little bit of research, and again, none of this is advice. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. So do your own due diligence with stuff like this, so you know what you're getting into with certain companies. But the next one that I'm going to be invested in is IG. So buy, go, 50, 7 shares, confirm buy, code. Let's take a minute. And there you go. That's IG bought. That's really good. Done. Head back now. So the next one is Rio Tinto. Now that is in the mining sector. So just trying to spread out the risk a little bit. Also, it's got really good dividends and it's a really good company, solid. So going in here with 53. There you go. Give us 1 share there. Go, put in the code. And there we go. That's order complete. Rio Tinto there. Fantastic. Next one up. Okay, so the next one we're looking at is Admiral. Now it's the same process before. So you see that latest price there is 19.86. So we put in 60. It was 3 shares, and that'll round it down slightly for us. Buy. Put in the code there. And there we go, for Admiral. That's fantastic. So we're ticking along now, building a nice little portfolio. Okay, so the next one up is BAE Systems. Now if you scroll down a few on these, or all of these, it'll just give you the data of all the stocks. It gives you things like dividend yield and all that sort of stuff. And the sector that it's in, so logistics there, and what it's doing. So it's an aerospace company, which is pretty cool. Really healthy company, got really healthy dividend yield as well. So we're going to be going in for this one as well. Going for 50. That's going to give us 5 shares, buy. And there we go. All done with that one. Bought into an aerospace company. That's cool. So our next one is going to be Money Supermarket. Now again, you scroll down and you've got all the information there. Now it's got a nearly 5% dividend yield. It's healthy. So we'll buy this now for 50. That gives us 20 shares. Confirm buy. And it's going to be another buy for us. Okay, all done. Now let's go and have a look at the portfolio and see what it's looking like. Okay. So our cash is about 20%. Our stocks there about 80. Now we do have different positions there. So again, cash 20% in that portfolio. Just shy of that 1,000 at the minute. So let's have another look here. Okay guys, so to actually take us over that £1,000, what I'm going to do is invest another £100 into this VHYL. So here we go. Confirm buy, code. There we go, all done. All invested. Right, now over the next coming months, what I'm going to do is constantly update you guys about this portfolio as we go into insights here. You can see stocks are in for about 88%, cash still remain about 12% in cash, so I can get something if there's a good opportunity in the market. Just move on to sectors here, so we can see that's the breakdown of the sectors. Now ideally what I'd want to do is just try and even this out a little bit. So over the next few months, maybe the coming year, you can see ETFs is quite heavy, as well as finance. You know, finance is a bit up and down and stuff, and there's a few things going on in America which happen in the financial sector. So I'm not going to take any money out. I'm just going to put some more money into the different sectors there that I've got there to try and make sure that I've got a bit more of an even spread. And again, this is my position. So in each of them. So yeah, for me, I'm not really worried about this position. It's more my sector spread. And that's what I'm going to try and even out a little bit. So there we go guys, that's my first £1,000 invested into the stock market. Maybe you're watching this video in 10 years when I've become a millionaire and help you do the same. But yeah, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. That right there, that is yours. It's in the description, go click that link. Thanks so much for watching the video guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Steve, this is Life of the White House. We were the Donut Goblin, and go get your free cash.